Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from TechTalk, and today we are unboxing my most anticipated device that I wanted to have a look at for 2017, and it has come before the end of the year. This is the Huawei Mate 10 Pro version. Massive thank you to Vodafone for sending this along just before Christmas period. I'm going to be using it as well through the new year and testing it out, and I can't wait to test this. I think this will be one of the best devices for 2017, and I look forward to showing you why in future videos. So on front here we have Huawei, we have Mate 10 Pro, we have a lacy dual camera lens system built into this as well. Turning around to the back, there's not much information there. There is a QR code that you could give a quick scan to get more information, but why not sit back and let me tell you some more information. So pulling off the lid here, we'll see our device. So if I just take out the device first of all. So inside our packaging, you do have your SIM tool. You do also get a free clear case with this as well, which I think is a really good idea to protect your device as you want to show it off. So that's in one section. Moving along to the other section, you're going to find your USB-C cable for charging and syncing, your headphones for listening to music on the go, but they are there, and that's a USB-C connection as well. And you will have a 3-pin plug, but I've got a European version plug here at the moment, but you will receive a 3-pin UK plug. Moving that all to the side, let's have a look at our device. I'm going to flip this around and you can see this nice either dark chocolate colour or like a copper colour. So you do have a tab to pull off here, and you can see the colour in greater detail here. I think it is a gorgeous colour, really nice design as well. Comes in other colours as well, but more of that in our review. But on the back there you do see a dual camera system, a fingerprint sensor, and also you've got your flash as well. Turning around to the front, it's a 6-inch display. It's their full view display as well, which means it's 18.9 aspect ratio. The resolution for the display is 1080 by 2160. Has 128 gigabytes of storage but no SD card slot. Is running Android 8.0. Your front facing camera is 8 megapixels. You have 6 gigabytes of RAM and 4000 mAh battery. So in your setup process here, again, you can change vision settings here. So in vision settings, we can then go into font size, and I can make the font as small as I want or as large as I want, to make it easier for me to read during the setup process and for me to use the device. Now we have the large font on, we can carry on. So English United Kingdom here. So you need to agree to some services that we're going to agree to. This is to Wi-Fi Plus and also your weather location. So it gives you the best possible weather location. Next, connect into your Wi-Fi. I'm actually going to skip this for the moment. Then it's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account or to create one here. This is ideal for buying apps, movies, TV shows, and music, and using so many Google applications and services. Once you agree to these, it's just getting access and account information. Once it's done this, it will ask you to go through services and agreements that you want to agree to. You can go down through these, turn them on or off. The choice is yours. It's totally up to you. So protect your device. You can protect your device here, and you can choose either a PIN, pattern, or password. I'm actually going to skip for the moment. So welcome to your device, and we're going to set up as a new device. Huawei ID, so you can sign in with Huawei ID here. So easier transfer, so you can clone your device or you can use a backup. I'm going to skip again because we want to use a fresh device. You can use their cloud services here, and then fingerprint. So we're going to set up the fingerprint sensor here. We now need a second just security measure just in case. So draw a pattern and then redraw your pattern. Then turn your phone round. The fingerprint again is in the ideal location here. So just raise and place your finger. There we go. They give you commands where to put your finger. So you can use Google Assistant. I'm going to say not now because we have to go through the phases. It's using EMUI overlay as well. It's running Android 8.0, so I'm looking forward to using that. And there we go. We're into our display here. And it's a beautiful display. I can't wait to test this out. Again, if there is any videos you would like to see, remember, drop a comment down below. I'd be more than happy to help. I might compare this to my Honor 7X as well. So turning around to the back, you do have that beautiful lacy dual camera. You do have your fingerprint sensor there. Let's check that out now we've registered that. So once again, wow, that's nice and quick. Do like the case. I love the color that follows through to the front as well. Got your front facing camera there, and you do have this beautiful display all running Android 8.0 with 6 gigabytes of RAM, which is a huge amount, and 4000 mAh battery. So if you do have any questions or queries, please drop a comment down below. Thanks always for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.